assalamu alaikum to all of you and welcome to our first lecture of HTML in web designing. In this lecture I will introduce the HTML to you and will show you the basic structure. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A markup language is a language that is used to display content with the help of text. HTML is used to create or structure web pages and different types of layouts. HTML is based on elements that consist of opening and end tags. Two types of elements are present in HTML. One that contains both opening and end tags, and the second one is self-closing tag. I will tell you about these tags and elements later in later tutorials. The latest version of HTML is HTML5. All elements should cover with left and right angle brackets. HTML is easy to understand and easy to use. HTML contains two main sections. First is head and the second is body, just like a human. HTML is a markup language that can be written on any text editor. You can use simple Notepad or Notepad++, or you can also use any other tool like Dreamweaver. I will use Notepad++ as it has some advanced features and it helps us to remember the code perfectly. The extension of HTML file is a .html, means HTML file can be saved, will be saved as page.html, about.html, contact.html, or whatever. The home of website is called home page and always saves as the index.html, and other are called sub pages and always save as the designer's choice. Like we can save sub pages like about.html, contact.html, and support.html, and so on. The head section contains the web page title and all other technical info that we don't want to share with our visitors except title. The body section contains all elements that we want to share or show to our visitors. This is the basic structure you can see here, and just don't be confused and don't focus too much on this code. I will explain this code in later tutorial. Just this time I'm just showing you this the basic structure of HTML. So you can see that every tag is covered with the left and right angle bracket, and let me tell you about the head and body section of a web page. So this is our web page, and this is the head section of this web page, in which you can see the title here, and there are some technical info, some script, some styling at the back end that you can't see here. And this is the body section, in which you can see text, images, and other content that is visible to you. And we always place the content that we want to show to our visitors in the body section. So this was the first lecture of HTML, and inshallah we will cover all other info of HTML in our later tutorial. So be updated and like our page, join our group to get our upcoming updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.